Alright guys, welcome back to the Big Kountry YouTube channel, and today we're headed to the drag strip. But you're probably asking yourself, Big Kountry, what bike are you going to take this time? Well, I have brought back out the Gsxr 1000. Yes, that's right, the bike straight from the auction. We have now got Brock's performance mods on there, G-force mods, and tons of weight reduction. So keep in mind, we got this weight reduction, the mods, the exhaust, and a more Mafia ECU flash. All of Big Kountry sponsors, well, not all of them, a few of Big Kountry sponsors have went into making this thing fast. So let's see if we can go to the track and go faster than we did last time. Last time we went 584, stock exhaust, heavy, all of that. Let's see if that Brock's performance exhaust helped us out. It's a little dry hop in here. Alright. Let's see what we can do, guys. First pass with our new exhaust. All our lightweight mods. See if we can remember how to ride a long bike. Pretty fast. I couldn't get my dang foot up quick enough to shift it. Bumped the rev limiter there in the top of first. That definitely slowed us down a lot. I ain't gonna lie, after riding the CBR, the old Gsxr got some juice to her on that 60 foot. That felt good. How fast? Go ahead and drop in the comments. How fast do you think we went on this first pass right off the trailer? What it looked like to you guys? Wow, guys, are you freaking kidding me? 568 right off the trailer. Guys, we just went faster our first pass right off the trailer. Then Chris went on it with the mods. We went faster than Chris went with no mods. Chris went a 74, I believe. And we just cracked off a 68 on our first freaking pass. Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. So happy with that, guys. We just took a bike straight from the Copart auction, put us some good performance mods on it, and just busted off a 568, 124 miles an hour, and we bumped the rev limiter. I got a sneaky suspicion we're gonna go a 550 tonight. Holy cow, I'm pumped. I'm freaking amped. We go past 2. Gotta try and get our foot up a little faster here when we come off this line, get that first shift knocked down. we got to that shift that time. I might have looked a little funny on that pass because as soon as I left, I jumped back to be able to get to that shifter quick. Foot shifting this thing. I mean, last pass 142, 60 foot. Foot shifting, pretty tough. Let's see, I feel like we definitely went faster that pass. Man, if we went faster than a 68, sheesh. '64, 141, 60 foot. Holy crap, guys. We're so close now. A 64? Are you kidding me? 141, 60 foot. I cannot believe this thing, dude. If we go 550s before we have race fuel, guys, this thing's gonna be fast. Keep in mind, I'm 200 pounds. 200 pounds, no body work, pump gas, with a bike that a couple months ago was just in pieces, in shambles, where it had been destroyed from a wreck. This bike thought it would never see another day of light, only to be revived by Big Kountry and out here going 560s at the track. Holy cow. Guys, let's see if we can improve on that last pass. Our fastest pass yet with the Gsxr. See what we can do this time. Faster. Now guys, that was a fast pass. I don't know how much faster we can go than that right there. That was smooth. So 99% of the time, smooth is fast. Now 1% of the time, smooth is slower. So we're going to see, guys. I believe that was our fastest pass. Was it enough to go a 50? Oh man, a 65. Man, that's pretty bad when you think a 65 is no good. So he slowed down a little bit in our 60 foot. Huh, interesting. Alright guys, so ain't gonna lie, I thought that was a little bit faster, but turns out we only went a 565. Are you kidding me? We're over here complaining because we went a 565 on this motorcycle. Just look at it. It's unbelievable. So I was a little bit too smooth on the launch there. Slowed us down a little bit. We got to get more aggressive on that launch if we want to go faster. We need high 130, 60 foots if we're going to get this 550 tonight. need us a good pass here. It's really cold out here. I'm ready to go home. I want to go this 59 right here, guys. Alright, tree's ready. Get this puppy chooched up. Let's go. I feel like that was really good, guys. I feel like that was good. I felt like the last one was good, though. And it wasn't as fast, so. I gotta see. I might not be throwing the clutch quick enough. I don't know. Let's hope that one was good, guys. We're ready to go home. It says it's 50 degrees out here. 55 degrees is what the bike says. The wind's blowing real bad. It's cold. Oh my God, guys. 553. Are you kidding me? 135 60 foot. 135 60 foot. Holy cow. A 553. We just blew our expectations out of the water. This thing is a beast. Dude, we're gonna go 540 so soon with this thing. It's gonna be unreal. Holy cow. Zook Nation, stand the freak up. Unbelievable machine we got here. Are you freaking kidding me, guys? Even I wasn't ready for this. 135 60 foot. 553 at 125. Drop the mic. Zook Nation in the building. We're going home because it's freaking cold, y'all. Woo! Holy cow, guys. We made it back. I don't know if you can believe it. I am impressed. We went to the track. The goal was to go 560s. Big Country, boom, kick that out of the park. 553, 135 60 foot. Guys, we got pump gas. We're foot shifting. And you got Big Country's groceries all on this Gsxr 1000. No body work. Stock velocity stacks. Bro, this thing is gonna fly. I'm excited. I'm stoked. I honestly did not believe that the mods that we did, that Brock's Performance exhaust really picked this thing up. I tell people all the time when they ask about exhaust systems, which one's the best one? I know for a fact on the Gsxr 1000, the Brock CT titanium exhaust is hands down the best exhaust you can get, and that is the only exhaust that I would use on my bikes. You see them on both my Gsxrs, and you see what it did when we went from stock exhaust to that exhaust. Unbelievable. The sound's great. It looks awesome, and it freaking performs. So be sure to go check out brocksperformance.com. You can use discount code BigCountry5 and pick you up a CT exhaust. And then, of course, we got G-Force Racing. You can use Big Country on that. The More Mafia ECU Flash, Big Country. And all the mods I got, they're on bigcountry.shop. But guys, I usually don't ask, but this time, we're so close to 30,000 subscribers. Guys, come on. hit the subscribe button if you hadn't already. Just think, if every one of you hit the subscribe button, I'd have way over 30,000 subscribers. And you know what that would be? That would be keeping it country. So, I mean, if you're gonna do what I tell you to do in every single video, then hit the subscribe button and keep it country.